Hi everyone, my name is Norman and today I want to show you how to purl two together through the back loop. P2tog TBL, purl two together through the back loop, is a right leaning decrease for purl stitches. From the knit side of your work it will appear like it's leaning towards the left, so exactly like a SSK slip stitch. It's a bit more difficult to knit, so at the end of this video I'm going to show you a very neat trick to make things easier if you're struggling. So let's dive right into it. So here's how to purl two together through the back loop. I'm going to purl the first two stitches quickly, and now here are two stitches I want to purl together through the back loop. And this is a very difficult decrease, so the first thing I always do is I loosen them up a bit with the right needle. And now you have to insert the right needle from left to right through the back loop. So bring the needle around and insert it through the back loop like this. And now wrap the yarn around counterclockwise and pull through. And here is your purl two together through the back loop. Let's do it one more time. So we are going to loosen up the stitches a bit. And then we insert the needle from left to right through the back loop. And wrap the yarn around counterclockwise and pull through. One more time. So I loosen up the stitches. I insert the needle from left to right. And now I wrap the yarn around counterclockwise and pull through. Now I know a lot of knitters, they have terrible problems with inserting the needle into the back loop, into those two stitches. And if you're one of them, then here is an easier method to do it. So purl one stitch. And now with the yarn in front, slip it back onto the left needle. And now take the second stitch and pass it over the one you just purled. And now you can slip it back on your needle. Let's do it one more time. Purl one stitch. Slip it back to the left needle with yarn in front. Pass the second stitch over the first stitch and slip it back on the right needle. And we're gonna take a quick look at the knit side of this. So here's the one we purled two together through the back loop the regular way. And this is the one with the slip stitch version. And as you can see, they're both left leaning and appear just exactly the same. So if you're struggling with the back loop version, the slip stitch version is a very, very good alternative. I personally don't like the slipping back and forth, and I rather like to knit through the back loop. But try out both and comment which version you like more. Which one is easier, slipping or knitting through the back loop? Tell me in the comments. I'd be really interested to hear your story. Anyway, that's it. That's how you purl two together through the back loop. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Consider subscribing to my channel if you want to see more from me, and happy knitting!